to use SageMaster AI to find your dream job. So all you need to do is go to www.sagemaster.ai, take note.ai, and you can actually come here and get started. So SageMaster AI helps you find a job, and we can also does a whole bunch of other things for you as well. So you come in and get started, and once you come into this point, you should see a page like this. And what you want to do is click on SageMaster Intelligent Job Search. Then you come into Intelligent Job Search. You have the option to upload a fresh resume or select an existing resume from here. In this case, I'm just going to upload my resume. I'm going to come in here and I type in, let's see, I have a resume right here prepared. So I select that resume, and while the file is uploading, it's going to ask me to give this resume a name. So this is a resume for a business analyst. So I can call this maybe BA resume. And I want to make this visible to recruiters so I can actually get found, and I save that resume. Now the resume has been saved, and you can see here on the page at the top right here, you have your account, you have your home page, and then you have a whole bunch of buttons here that says all, best match, and less likely. What you want to do now is select that resume. You can see that from a list of resumes, and SageMaster does a few things. It already builds a bunch of career paths for you. So it told me that this resume can actually perform as a business analyst. This person here can be a data analyst based on their job experience. These are like top 5 career paths that they can go for. Now what's happening now here is that it also picks up my city from my resume or my location, and you can see this resume is in Toronto in Canada, and it's doing a search. Now one interesting thing that you see right here is that it is using AI to analyze the entire job description, so that you see all here, and try and find me the best matching roles and the ones that are less likely. So this is one key feature of SageMaster, in the sense that it doesn't just find you the job. Like this is from LinkedIn, this is from LinkedIn, this is from Essential, right on the search. It searches the entire internet. It also tailors the resume, which you can see right here for each job. So now it is done complete the AI analysis. Let's look at the best matching jobs. I can click on that, and you can see now here it tells me I have a 70% chance on getting this one. So if I click on this, you see, hey, Tunde has a solid background as a business analyst, and it tells me this is why I have a 70% chance of applying for this job. So if I want to go ahead, I just click on apply now. Let me see if I can find something a bit higher, so you can scroll through. Okay, I have a 75% chance of this one, so you can see this is good. So if I wanted to apply, I just click on apply now, and it opens a whole new tab. This is my LinkedIn. I think isn't working, but let me see. Let me try on this one. So I go on this one here, and you can see it's going to try to open the job, the website. You can see that loading. We're just going to wait for that to finish. Once that is done, we'll check. Now I want to show you the ones that are less likely. You can see these are jobs there. For example, this one tells me I have a 30% chance of getting this one. So this is, let's see why. And you see it says my background doesn't match because it's a ServiceNow role, and I am not a ServiceNow expert, so you can tell automatically that this is not a great fit for me. So that way I can actually focus on applying for these ones. Now this is the other job, the job site we clicked on. You can see right here, I can now go ahead and apply. Now one cool feature that you can see is the way you can tailor your resume for each position. So if I were going to apply for this one, I can click on this and say tailor my resume, and it's going to take a few seconds, about 10 seconds. It's making me a beautiful resume. It's taking my existing resume, which you see I selected, and it's taking the job description, and it's merging that to create a fantastic resume that will pass through any filters that you have in there. So this is one cool feature, guys. You don't need to go to ChatGPT, copy, paste, and try and all of that. You have your resume, fantastic resume made for you right here. And you can see everything here. If I want to copy this and apply with this, I can do that, or I can just download a fresh resume. You can see it's downloaded. I can download it, create a Microsoft Word document. You can see that right there. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Word in a bit. You can see this is the resume right here. So really cool feature, guys. The next one you want to do is maybe a cover letter. You know, this can be, writing cover letters can be stressful. I want to get a cover letter done, so I click on this generate cover letter, and it does that for that particular job description. So in a few seconds you will get your cover letters shown to you, and yeah, I got my cover letter right there. You can see dear hiring manager, I'm excited to apply for this role. It talks about my experience. It took my resume. You see, this isn't just any cover letter. This is actually made from my resume. So you're not having cases where it's just randomly generating stuff. No, this is from that resume you selected. I can copy that now and I can use that in my applications. Now to the coolest feature we have here. It's called Apply For Me. Now, if you're busy and you don't have time to fill out these job applications and all that, just come in here and say apply for me. It's going to ask you for the first time to fill out the form, which is like a job profile. You see, that's it. And then we have analysts at the back who are doing the applications for you. So that way you can get applications done for you. Like you can see this, I have done this one, I can do this and do this one, and I can just relax knowing that my job applications will be filled up for me. In some cases, like on LinkedIn, where the job is applied on LinkedIn, unfortunately, you might have to do the application yourself. So you have the choice of either applying or just click on apply for me, and that works as well. So, guys, yep, this is SageMaster AI, and give it a try. Let us know what you think. Thank you.